Luarna house by A1 Arquitectos in Mogrovejo, Spain. The project is located in the small village of Mogrovejo, declared a historic artistic ensemble in 1985, situated in the Picos de Europa, specifically in the Ándara Massif and facing Mount Subiedes. Its location at the lower part of the urban core allows it to separate itself from the rest of the buildings and to enjoy its image, with the mountains as a background. The existing building was originally a small stable on the ground floor with a barn on the upper floor following the traditional scheme of vernacular architecture. The owners, Carmen and José Felix, inherited the disused building and decided to enhance its value by converting it into 2 apartments, to give new life to the structure. The aim was to maintain the division by floors, locating 1 apartment on each level and connecting both through the stair space, which is the common access area. This element becomes one of the protagonists, as it seeks to create an entrance vestibule resembling a courtyard, combining traditional elements such as stone masonry walls and wooden roofs with contemporary elements such as the steel staircase, or the wooden and glass partition. The apartments seek to preserve the character of the existing spaces before the renovation. The upper floor, formerly the hayloft, is a space of greater height and almost diaphanous where the light and the roof are protagonists. The ground floor, however, where livestock was formerly kept in winter, has a more moderate height and scale. Here the original pillars and beams, as well as the openings that connect with the exterior, quickly attract the visitor's attention.